Hello learners, welcome to Triaright. Today we will be learning about packages and modules. And coming here we will be understanding about creating and using packages, why we use them and how do we create them. So what is package in Java? Package is a collection of interfaces, created classes and subclasses also. Here it states that a package is a collection of created classes, interfaces and subclasses. Coming further, it provides access protections, the namespace management, and the code organizations. The namespace management is to avoid name conflicts and access protection using public and protected. We are using public protected and default as access modifiers. And for the code organizations, it helps in modular modular programming. As we have done all those things, we will get into on all these things here. So why we use packages? We use packages to make group related classes together. We make use packages so that all the classes, related classes, can come together and avoid the name conflicts. Because using the package, we can also avoid the class name conflicts, as which of the class name uses which kind of packages, which of the classes, and which of the name uses what kind of classes. And it make code more easier to relate, use, and maintain. They make codes more easier to locate, use, and maintain. And they provide control access to classes, and they provide control access to classes, because depending upon the classes we have to access different of the classes and names, because on different names we will access different classes, and for the related classes we have the controlled access, and they enter development of components, and for similarly for the development for the different classes we have different component on which of the things the classes are built. That there are different types of packages. So one is built-in packages, which is already present in Java. They are all primitive. Some examples are java.util. We have used many of the java.util and java.inutil and java.io for input and output functions, and java.lang for different languages functions. And coming here, we have different languages in the sense Java languages and different user-defined packages. We have the user-defined packages like com, my app, and utils. Com.my app.utils. This is a user-defined package. Now how to create this and use the package? How do we create the packages and how do we use them? First, we need to declare the package. First, we need to declare the package. That is the top of your class files. As we have done all those things, we can tell that we have used the first packages by the different packages. In the beginning, we were writing the package name in the in the beginning of the classes. After that, we have the class name. We have the class name. Yeah, we have seen this also. And then we have the various methods and the method line follows. Now coming here, save the file in their folder structures. You have to save the file in the folder structures. Suppose we made a class, we make a class, and we similarly save them in a particular files in a particular structure. So suppose the folder name is my package, and inside that myclass.java file name was myclass.java. Yeah, and coming here, we have to compile the classes with /t options. This open terminals in project folder. This open they open the terminals in project options. Now coming here, we have the class javac/d my dot my packages /my class java. These are D. They means that compile and place classes for places classes file inside the correct folder structures. Now coming here, import and use of packages in other class. We have the import and use packages in other classes. For that, we'll first import packages, my package. Here we are importing my package with my class. My package, my class. We're importing package name dot my class name also. For that, we have the public class test package. We have a class test package which has the main method line, and here my class object. Here we are creating an object of this my class, object of this my class, because we have used these classes inherited or acquired these classes. So we'll create an object of this class, and we create a with the help of new keyword and my class, and we are using this object to display the different things related in these classes. Object.display. Subjects. For that we have the display method, which we need to display with the help of this object. So we'll write the object.display to display here the different things in this display options, display method. Now coming here, compile and run. Now coming here in compiling and running, we will use javac, javac t dot test package dot java. Here javac is a test package, javac test package, java test package. Now access control in package. There are different access control in packages. Public class can be accessed outside the package. Public for using these access modifiers for public classes, this can be accessed outside the different package, outside of the package also. This public class, the public access modifier. If we use this public class, suppose we have access a class as public, it can be used outside this package also. We can use this class outside the package. For default, it can be accessed anywhere in the package. For default class, if the class is default class or this package is used class or this package is default package is used, the classes can be accessed within the same class, can be accessed anywhere within the same class. Now coming here, we have some of the examples for directory structures. For here we have the project folder, and we have the slash. We have moving further, we have the my package, and moving further we have my class, and we have my class.java, and there is a class my class.class, and there is a package text package.java, and there is a, suppose there is a class also. So we are writing test package.class. Now coming here to the important notes, what we observe here, that is we must compile package classes first before using them. We must compile package classes, as compilation makes our packages more easily to be readable. You must import class. This is from another package. We must import the classes. That is in another package, and Java automatically imports java.lang package. It will directly our Java will automatically import this package for the uses of different kind of works and processes. So commonly used built-in packages are java.lang. Basically, these are automatically called, and you acquire all the properties of this language package. Basic language package like string and math. For using string and math functions, these packages are automatically called. And for java.utility, for utility classes like ArrayList and hashmap, java.utility package, we were calling the ArrayList and hashmap classes, and java.io for input and output. I have already told java.io we use for input and output classes. Now coming here to the end of the class. So no, there's something here. Java.net networking classes. Java.net used for networking the classes. And introduction to the module overviews. We have to study the introduction to modules overview. Modules. The group of related packages with the metadata. Then metadata is the data about the metadata. Is a pictorial representation of data about the data. This is the data of the data, and declared in the module info.java. It is declared in the module info.java and used for larger applications for dependency management. They have used it for larger application in dependency management. Suppose we have a module my module, and we will export this package from my package. We will export this from my package. Now coming on to the end, we will move on to what we have learned here. Packages group related to classes can avoid conflicts. Packages group. This package group can be related to a class, but this by being related to a class, they already avoid all the conflicts between to which class and which group is they belong, and use package keyword to declare and import to use. We should use package keyword to declare and import to use. And coming here, we have it helps maintain clean and project structure. Here helps to maintain the clean project structures, as we have already seen for the previous classes. That's a help us to make the code very much clean, and to compile with /d option. We have to compile the package with the /d options. Yeah. Now Java 9 introduces modules. Coming further in Java 9, we introduce modules. Modules, they are a group of packages and management dependencies. They are a group of packages and management dependencies like Apache, Kafka, everything else. We will see later. Coming to the end, we end of the class. We will meet in the next class. Thanks.